Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit money in Binance from UAE. To deposit money into your Binance account, start by opening the Binance app on your device and making sure you're logged in. From the home screen, tap on Wallets at the bottom right corner. Then select Deposit under your current balance. Next, choose the currency you want to deposit. For example, AED United Arab Emirates Dirham, and tap Continue. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and tap Buy USDT. Select your preferred payment method and then tap Confirm Purchase. Review the payment details carefully, including the reference code and bank account information provided by Binance. Next, open your official banking app and transfer the specified amount to the Binance bank account using the provided details. Once you've completed the transfer, take a screenshot of the transaction and send it in the chat section as instructed. After completing all the steps, the deposited funds should appear in your Binance account within 2 to 3 working days. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.